As this man was driving down the road, he noticed a small helpless kitten on the side of the road. Being an animal lover, he pulled over to the side of the road to help. Without hesitation, he reached down to pick up the kitten, and to his surprise, a group of kittens suddenly burst out of the grass and ran towards him. It was as if they knew he was there to help them. Feeling an overwhelming sense of responsibility to help these kittens, he decided that he was going to take all of them home with him and felt a sense of purpose and fulfillment. He knew that he had to make a difference in the lives of these vulnerable creatures and that he was going to give them a chance to live happy and healthy lives.